What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new small cap company called Sponsors One. Sponsors One is a small upstart at the forefront of the MJ sector. With its proprietary platform that combines digital marketing, wholesale and retail distribution, branding and operational and funding capital, it has a competitive first mover advantage in this sector. So this is an introduction video or an overview video, guys. We're going to go over, what the company's all about, pretty much just introduce it to our subscribers, take a look at the stock real quick, and pretty much just talk about the company. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The last thing I wanted to say, of course, was this video was sponsored by a third party for Sponsors One, and I also wanted to make a quick little disclaimer in here, that small cap stocks, especially ones like this, microcap stocks, are highly volatile. So this video is never financial advice, and always do your own research and due diligence before investing into companies like this. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love talking about new companies, so let's get straight into what Sponsors One is all about. So guys, as you can see, the company has a market cap of just $2.5 million with 249 million shares outstanding, 52-week range of 1 cent to 8 cents, currently trading for 2 cents, up 50%. And as I mentioned before, small cap companies like this, they're highly volatile, but at the same time, if it starts to go up, they tend to go up a lot. Like as you can see, it's up 50% today, and that's just 1 cent. So with a company like this, I'm not going to focus too much on the charts, but I'm instead going to focus on this really interesting article from newstrendingreports.com. So the hidden opportunity in a multi-billion-dollar industry that may have robust upside potential. Sponsors One applies for OTCQB listing in the midst of this green boom. So as we know, the green sector, it's coming back, and it took a couple years, but it looks like, it's finally coming back, especially, with the new administration coming in. Much more positive environment for many of these stocks. So analyst accounts say sales could reach $16 billion by 2025, driven primarily by health and wellness products, as well as food, beverage, and beauty. However, this is not 5 years ago. It appears it is significantly more challenging to find bargains in this sector in 2020, though Sponsors One may be one to watch. Sponsors One stands out with a revolutionary new technology. So with the increased adoption and acceptance of MJ and related MJ products, everyone from luxury retailers to supermarkets to local gas stations are offering products. However, there is a new molecule that is under the radar, and it's a hidden gem. It's called CBG and offers enticing potential for both consumers and companies. CBG is found to act on very specific psychological systems problems, and results for medical use are promising. Many of CBG's potential medical benefits can include the following. It may be effective in treating glaucoma. It was found to be effective in decreasing inflammatory bowel disease. It was shown to protect neurons in mice with Huntington's disease. It has shown promise to fight cancer. In fact, it was shown to block receptors that cause cancer cell growth. European research revealed evidence that CBG is an effective antibacterial agent. It was shown to be an effective appetite stimulant in rats. It may even be useful in preventing bladder dysfunction disorders. So what's this company all about? Sponsors One aims to be a major player in delivering branded CBG products. As more people begin to discover the benefits of this new molecule, it is becoming a more prominent piece in the multi-billion-dollar MJ market. However, it is still relatively unknown and a hidden opportunity. Because of that, SPONF may be one of the most under-the-radar and undervalued opportunities on the market. The major retailers around the country struggle to stock their shelves with enough products to keep up with growing demand. Sponsors One has an easy opening and catalyst that could help the company skyrocket. So because of this explosive consumer demand, Sponsors One has shifted its focus to create and build brands in-house with a focus on CBG-infused beverages. Sponsored One also has the world's very first 120 milligram patch. So they just partnered with Go Nutraceuticals. Let's take a quick look at that. So they recently entered in a 3-year brand management agreement with Go Nutraceuticals, a leading provider of organic botanicals infused with whole plant hemp. Sponsors One is very excited about building this new category in the green market. The raw, all-natural infusions provide tremendous efficacy above current highly processed green products, states Miles, the CEO of Sponsors One. We have worked with Go and build the branding from the ground up, and now are ready to launch into the USA market. With this agreement, Sponsors One introduced a line of flavored chewable tablets delivering 20 milligrams. Sponsor One also collaborated with Go Nutraceuticals to produce a CBG sublingual dissolving tablet that delivers 10 milligrams in a minuscule 6 millimeter size. Sponsors One is acquiring key industry leaders. Sponsors One also acquired Verve Beverage Company. Verve Beverage is best known for the Verve brand and is a premium energy beverage with over 236 million in historical sales. It also entered into brand development agreement to build a direct-to-consumer platform for their energy drinks. The opportunity to build an authentic and large-scale community around our brand is what has us excited about working with Sponsors One, states Terrell Jones, Business Development of Champ Products. Direct-to-consumer means higher margin and profits and a more responsive organization to the needs of the consumer. Additionally, it has entered into a brand development agreement to build a direct-to-consumer marketplace for their world's first 120 milligram patch. So they also got to play on the beverage market, and they're part of the $188 billion beverage opportunity. Sponsors One also recently announced that it intends to be one of the first companies to deliver immune-boosting beverages with water-soluble micronutrient ingredients in a single molecular structure. These drinks are intended to support the immune system and help with focused energy, post-exercise recovery, and drug-free relaxation and sleep. Health and wellness are top of mind around the world today, and bringing a new technology to deliver micronutrients in a new way, in a higher dose with higher bioavailability, will change the way we consume nutrients. Says Miles, the CEO of Sponsors One, by effectively delivering all natural formulations in a novel, effective manner, we can address health, wellness, and performance of all ages. Sponsors One entered the $23.7 billion wellness and beauty market as well. So let's talk about this next segment. So Sponsors One is also now collaborating with Volunteer Botanicals. Volunteer Botanicals is a company focused on delivering fully customized botanical-based products for product creators and medical practitioners. The goal of this collaboration is to create a proprietary new branded line of products. This new product line is the Sponsors One introduction to the beauty market. While the brand is still unnamed, it will be unique for Sponsors One and function as a wholly owned subsidiary utilizing the formulations delivered by Volunteer. And then last but not least in this article, guys, Sponsored One is launching an organic hemp cigarette brand. So over 5.6 trillion tobacco cigarettes were produced globally in 2019 and were smoked by over 1.1 billion people. We plan to bring a healthier product alternative to addictive tobacco vaping, states their CEO. We believe the health benefits provided by smokable organic hemp flower as the delivery system for CBD and CBG will be a game changer. And we have covered companies in that sector before, of course. Key takeaways from Sponsors One, why Sponsors One could be a blockbuster. So let's take a look and see what they have to say to wrap this video up. So the increased legalization and demand from retailers and consumers, the health benefits, the growth potential, the list goes on why Sponsors One is so enticing and intriguing. We project retail green sales will increase to $10.3 billion in 2024, a 5-year compound annual growth rate of 54%, says Kristen Nichols, editor of the second annual hemp and CBD industry. As consumers clamor for products to alleviate their needs, Sponsors One has positioned itself in the market with a unique business model and unique product offering. With the world yet to fully discover CBG, Sponsors One, through its strategic partnerships and key acquisitions, has positioned itself for greatness during the green boom. So guys, last but not least, we're just going to quickly go on to their website. And if you do want more information, you can check it out, sponsorsone.com. Talks all about their recent news, what they're up to, a little bit more information, how they plan to sell direct to consumers or through retail. Here's all about their brands. So once again, I highly encourage you guys to do your research and due diligence. This video is not financial advice, and we are talking about a very small company right now. Higher risk, higher reward. That tends to be the way things go, especially in the stock market, of course. So we're going to leave it at that. It was simply just an introduction. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. What are your thoughts on this company? Drop those comments down below, good or bad. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps my videos so very much, along with smashing that subscribe button and hitting the bell for future video notifications if you do appreciate new and exciting companies just like Sponsored One. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember, though, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. And finally, once again, this video was sponsored by a third party for Sponsors One. Check the description down below for full disclosure details. And that's it for the video.